So now guys, if you're from a coding background, so there are plenty of things which you can do. Okay. So for example, here I can just ask a question to ChatGPT, write a Python 3 script to rename all the files in the directory 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. that can be run in the Mac terminal. Okay, so it will going to give you answer. Now, sometimes you may face this type of a error. So this can happen if your Mac or I can say your ChatGPT browser is open for a very long time. Okay, so for example, I went to drink coffee and my browser was open like this. Okay, so in that case you may face this problem. Okay, so you just simply need to refresh it. Okay, let me just copy this text again. Okay, now just refresh it and the problem will be solved. Okay, so that is a very common problem which you always going to face. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Then again just paste your question, click on enter, and boom, chat gpt will going to start to work again. That's it. Okay, so it will going to give you a lot many ideas and it will going to help you to create the script. Okay, so that is a very great way. Okay, uh, so it's a kind of a very useful tool that will going to help you a lot to do many things, and it will going to give you more details. Okay, and it will going to give you notes which you have to follow and which you have to not follow. I'm basically not from a too much technical background, but this is how it works. Okay, along with that you can just say write html code for let's say keyword generator tool. Okay, click on enter and it will going to write a html code for your keyword generator. Okay, so it will just going to write a basic html code, not a high sophisticated one. We will going to talk about that in later on. Okay, but this is how it will going to work for technical background, I can say. Okay, so it will going to write a basic um, you know um, text which you can just copy and paste in your browser, and it will going to help you a lot uh, to do any kind of coding. So you can see the this is just a basic without any css or anything. You can just add the css and everything later on. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is what chat gpt is also showing. This is just the basic code. Okay, there's nothing new, but you can use it for your training purposes to get a good idea how it going to work. Okay,